In today's video, I am going to teach you how to extract data from a picture or screenshot in Excel. To begin, you will first capture the picture or screenshot that contains the data you want to work with. This step matters because Excel cannot read information directly from an image unless you copy that image to your clipboard and then paste it into your workbook in a way that you can work with. On your keyboard, press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. Take a moment here and make sure you press them together. When you do that, Windows will bring up a screenshot tool. From there, you can select the exact area of the screen that has the data. Look at what you are capturing so you include the numbers, text, or table that you want to extract. A good capture will be clear and readable because the better the screenshot, the easier it is for Excel to work with afterward. After you select the area, Windows will copy the screenshot to your clipboard. You may notice that the screenshot tool closes right after the selection. That is normal. Now the next thing you will do is move into Excel and paste the screenshot into the correct location. Now switch back to your Excel workbook. Find the sheet where you want the image to go. When you are ready, click cell A1. This is important because cell A1 is the top left corner of the sheet, and pasting into A1 gives you a consistent starting point. Before you paste, check that your cursor is actually inside cell A1 and that the cell highlight is visible. This helps prevent the image from landing somewhere unexpected and makes your workbook easier to manage. Once you have cell A1 selected, you will paste the screenshot. Press Ctrl plus V. That command tells Excel to insert whatever is currently in your clipboard. Because you copied the screenshot using the Windows key plus Shift plus S shortcut, the image should appear in your workbook right away. Take a brief moment to confirm that the screenshot looks correct after pasting. It should be placed within the sheet area starting near cell A1. If it appears but is not positioned how you want, you can still adjust later, but the key part is that it is successfully pasted and visible. After the image is pasted, you are set up to extract the data. The reason we start by copying the screenshot and then pasting it into cell A1 is to keep the workflow simple and organized. When the image is clearly inserted into your Excel file, you can more easily reference it as you prepare to use Excel tools or features to work with that content. At this point, you have completed the two essential actions: capturing the screenshot with Windows and pasting it into your Excel sheet using cell A1 as the starting point. If your goal is to turn the screenshot into usable spreadsheet values, this pasted image is the foundation for the next stage of extraction. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.